Hello, Ruben's Foundation Repair. I hope you're doing well today. My name is AJ with AJ Marketing Solutions here in the Houston and surrounding areas. And I just wanted to get this video sent over to you to show you how you guys, kind of just some of the things y'all are doing online currently in order to start getting more people to y'all's website and converting those people into actual paying customers. Basically, we want your website to not just be a storefront, but instead be a constant lead generator so that you don't have to depend on someone else to find you new business. Your website is already bringing people in. The reason I do this for local businesses is because I want to share information so that you can improve and get more traffic and business through the door. Some things we'll be looking at specifically are content, backlinks, and citations. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into it here. We've got your website, Ruben's Foundation Repair TX.com. Got some pictures, got a few reviews. You have different things that we do as well, which is great, different pages. Not a bad looking website. It's got good bones to it. One thing I see is you guys don't have a lot of content. What this means is you don't have enough wording that people searching for concrete work done in your area are looking for. Google loves content. And what I've seen with my experience is that you should have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page of your website and about 750 words on each of the other pages, which also depends on your competition's websites. We also want a lot of keywords in your content. A keyword is anything someone might type into the Google search bar looking for a particular service or product. The goal is to place keywords throughout your website to tell Google exactly what words you want your website found for. One way we can find keywords that we really want to have on our website is through something like this paid tool I use called Ahrefs. Right here. You can use a paid tool like that, but I highly recommend reaching out to me because your time and money is valuable. And remember, I'm here to help you, to get you much more calls per month. When you use me, I'm here to make your business more profitable. Looking at the keywords that you have here on Ruben's Foundation Repair TX.com, Ruben's Foundation Repair, Repair Houston, Foundation Repair logo, LaPorte, Pierre, Sugarland. So you've covered a few different areas outside of Houston. You got Pasadena, Sugarland, Pearland, House Leveling, Houston, so forth and so on. Some competitors that you have, leveledconcrete.com, putting them into this tool. They have 1,200 keywords in their website. It's very different from Ruben's Foundation Repair. HoustonConcrete.com, is this website here, putting them into the tool. Got 286 keywords, which we'll talk about in a few. So 286 keywords for Houston Concrete, 1,200 keywords for Level Concrete, and going back to Ruben's Foundation, we got 28 keywords. All right. Now let's take a look at another thing that Google looks at. It's called backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing other websites directing traffic to your website. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most weighted and trusted backlinks wins. However, not all links are created equal. Backlinks that are relevant to your industry and to local websites will work best. We're going to go back to your stats on Google using this tool Ahrefs to figure out how many backlinks you guys have and how many your competitors have. Again, you can do it yourself if you want, but if you use me, who has an expertise in this area, it'll save you a lot of time, money, and hassle. Backlinks. You're doing very well with backlinks. 578. So you apparently know that this is important. HoustonMethod.com, Angie's.com, YellowPages.com. Going to competitors, Level Concrete, they have 197 backlinks. And HoustonConcrete.com has 245 backlinks. So out of those three, you guys are doing great with 578 backlinks. Now we're going to go over citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in a map pack when people are searching for a service, which is extremely important for local businesses since this can generate huge amounts of revenue. A map pack If I was to go to Concrete Contractors Houston and the search bar on Google, you see this map, you see a few things over here. Up top above all that, you see some paid ads for Google. Level Concrete is paying for an ad to show up at this time, but you don't have to have a paid ad to have people come to your website if your website is already working for you. At AB Concrete, Level Concrete, Mastic Masters, they all are pinned on here as well on this map. And then when you touch one of these, let's go to Level since we already had them up somewhere else. This is their Google My Business or Google Business profile. They have all of their reviews on here as well. They have their name, phone number, and address listed here. Some citations also include directories like Yelp and Better Business Bureau. Here, if I was to type in Concrete Contractor Houston, you see different construction and concrete companies here. Better Business Bureau, Concrete Contractors in Houston, different concrete companies, sidewalk companies, so forth and so on that are in the Houston area, name, phone number, address once again. Social media accounts are great too. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is to rank above them. Once your content, backlinks, and citations come together and you start to outgrow your competitors, here's what you might be looking at and why it's so worth it to you. Let me go back to Ruben's Foundation Repair, Texas. 578 backlinks, which I told you was great. 28 keywords, traffic flow, organic traffic to your website. The top part says the estimated number of monthly visits that your target gets from organic search on Google. So 27 visits to your site on Google per month on average, just from your keywords and just from the backlinks that you have as well, directing traffic. Once again, backlinks are more weighted if they're more relevant to your industry, meaning concrete or foundation repair or leveling concrete, so forth and so on, as well as if the websites that are directing to your website are trusted, like the Better Business Bureau, Yelp, Angie's List, so forth and so on. But you don't need Angie's List in order for you to be ranking up higher. Once again, 27 per month. Remember that number. If I go to Level Concrete, 973 visits to their website per month with their 1,200 words, with much less backlinks than yours, 197. 973. HoustonConcrete.com, 1,800. So that's double Level Concrete, and that's much more than what you currently have visiting your website right now. So this person doesn't even need to do any paid ads. You see, they don't have to pay anybody for ads because their website's already working for them. It's not a storefront, it's an actual lead generator for them. That's an awesome number. Once again, this tool, Ahrefs, that I'm using is just a tool. So these numbers are based on their own algorithms. However, the real number from Google are actually almost always much higher. By generating this kind of traffic through their website and Google Business Profile, let's say the conversion rate of people actually calling their business was just 10%. 10% of 1,800 is 180. And if they close business deals at around 50% of those 180 calls, which is common for local businesses from this type of traffic, HoustonConcrete.com is probably closing somewhere from 80 to 90 jobs per month just from their online presence alone. Not sure what your sales goals are, but I imagine 80 to 90 jobs per month would generate some pretty decent sales. So this is what I do for a living, and I'm creating this video for you to help you start generating leads online to this website right here. If you do find yourself wanting more business to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information. Or we can talk about your goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. Whether you use me or someone else, at the end of the day, I just want to help out local businesses. It's a huge passion of mine. Also, if you could, please leave some feedback about this video or information provided today. Again, my name is AJ, and feel free to reach out as my door is always open. My phone number is 281-851-6265, and my email is ajms4you@gmail.com. Once again, that's ajms4you@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this helps, and have a great rest of your day.